There's one question that I would love to address, and that's a question I get quite often. And it's quite simple. Should I be working with a financial advisor? And to be honest with you, 90% of the people that I come in contact with, the answer is no. You shouldn't be working with a financial advisor. It really depends on the complexity of your financial situation. Now, when I say complexity, there are different components that go into that, but there are two broad categories that you should be looking at. Am I a high income earner? Or do I have a lot in liquid assets? Or not even just liquid assets, just assets in general. Now, you may need a financial advisor to help you optimize both situations, right? But if you're a person that is making $60,000 a year, but you don't have a portfolio, but you're starting off, right? You're investing in your 401k, or maybe you have an IRA, or maybe even a Roth that you're contributing to. Your goal is to stay consistent, is to have a systematic process in funding these vehicles of building wealth, right? But do you need a financial advisor? No, you don't. You just make sure that you continue to invest, make as much money as you can, save as much as you can, and invest. That's it. And as long as you do that and you invest in a very diversified way, and you allow the markets to help those portfolios grow over time, you will get to a point where your financial situation is so complex that you'll reach out to a person like me. Until then, just stick to the goal. Stay on that journey. Make as much as you can. Spend as little as you can. Invest the difference and give it time to grow. And when you get to a point where you feel like this is a little overwhelming, you reach out to a person like me. Until then, stay the course. And I guarantee you'll get there.